This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious sugar cookies with eggs. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter, 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Having everything measured out makes the process much smoother. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is crucial for a tender cookie. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing until just combined to avoid overworking the dough. After mixing, it's time to chill the dough. Divide your dough into 2 equal discs, wrap each tightly in plastic, and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. This chilling time prevents spreading and makes the dough easier to handle. Once chilled, lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin. Roll out 1 disc of dough to a consistent thickness of about 1/4 inch. Uniform thickness ensures your cookies bake evenly. With your dough rolled, use your favorite cookie cutters to create fun shapes. Carefully transfer these cutouts to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 1 inch between each cookie. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Let them cool completely before decorating with your favorite icing and sprinkles. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.